Good day, everyone. I am Jameson Carillo and I am from Group 3. And our topic is developing and administering an appraisal plan. So, before we tackle the developing the appraisal plan, let's find out first what is an appraisal plan. So, an appraisal plan is a formal document outlining the process for evaluating employee performance. It's a crucial component of any effective human resource management system. A well-designed plan ensures fairness, consistency, and ultimately improve employee performance and organizational success. So, kaning appraisal plan is importante kini siya sa usa ka organization or company. Why? Because appraisal plan is dire gina-check or gina-evaluate ang performance sa usa ka employee or worker. So let's proceed to the developing the appraisal plan key factors. First is goals and objectives. Clearly define the overall goals of the appraisal system. What are you hoping to achieve? Improve performance, increased employee engagement, better alignment with the organizational strategy. These goals should directly inform the design of the plan. Second is appraisal methods. Choose appropriate methods for gathering performance data. Common methods in gathering performance data are first, 360-degree feedback, collecting input from multiple sources, supervisors, peers, subordinates, customers. Second is self-appraisal. Employers assess their own performance. Third is goal setting. Performance is evaluated based on pre-agreed upon goals. Fourth is behaviorally anchored rating scales, using specific behavioral examples to rate performance. And last is critical incident method, focusing on specific incidents showcasing exceptional or poor performance.
Developing and administering an appraisal plan. First is the performance standard. Establish clear and measurable standards. These standards should be specific, achievable, relevant, and time-bounded smart. Next is the training and development. Ensures that both appraisers and appraisees receive and equal training in the appraisal process, including how to use the chosen methods and how to provide and receive consecutive feedbacks. And lastly is the legal and ethical considerations. Design the appraisal plan to comply with all relevant laws and regulations, ensuring fairness and avoiding biases. Consider factors like equal opportunity and employment data privacy.
So second is administering the appraisal plan. So this stage focuses on the practical implementation of the plan. So pre-appraisal meeting, a meeting between the appraised and appraised that discuss expectation, clarify rules, and review goals. So second is data collection. So gather performance data using the chosen methods. Document all findings thoroughly and objectively. And for the last is appraisal meeting. A formal meeting between the appraised and appraised to discuss the performance evaluation. This meeting should be a two-way conversation focused on constructive feedback. So identifying areas for improvements and setting future goals.
Developing an appraisal plan. First, performance and improvement plan. If performance is unsatisfactory, a PIP should be developed. This outlines specific steps the employee needs to take to improve their performance. Next, documentation. Maintain detailed records of all appraisal activities, including the appraisal form, meeting notes, and any supporting documentation. Third, follow-up. Regular follow-up meetings should be scheduled to monitor progress and provide ongoing support.
So, good afternoon everyone. I am Jefferson Alvarado and I am discussing about review and revision in developing and administering appraisal plan. So, review and revision. The entire appraisal plan should be reviewed and revised periodically to ensure it remains relevant, effective, and aligned with the organizational goals. And there are 5 best practices about review and revision: involving employees, providing ongoing feedback, ensuring fairness and objectivity, documenting performance, continuous improving the appraisal plan. And the goal is to create a fair, effective, and growth-oriented performance evaluation process. That's all.